Yo, what is up, everybody? Right back at it with another video. This is gonna be a short video. It's just something really quick, something I want to install and something I already installed in the car. Car's right behind me. I'm inside my friend's garage. This is where we do a lot of rapping too. But I installed a M steering wheel trim, so that was actually pretty nice, and it gave the car a different look. And I'm about to put a carbon fiber wing on. I plan on going with a carbon trunk, but I think the wing will be okay for now. It'll do for right now because I got it so dirt cheap and it's like brand new. I was like, I might as well take advantage of this opportunity, just put it on. Even though I do want the trunk, but I mean, I don't know. Might just stay the wing. I don't know. The trunk is expensive, but I do want the trunk. So let me just go show you that. Okay, so this is the M-Tech steering wheel trim. This looks so good. Here, let me try to adjust the light. There we go. Now you can see it. M-Tech. It's so nice. So shout out to my boy Carlos for, hooking me up. I think it just looks really good. And Mishimaro sells these, and that says, it actually says M54 instead of M. But I'm just gonna keep that for now. But it's so clean, looks good. It was wrapped like that, but only because the rubber thin layer was taken off. But now I got this on and it's brand new, so looks good. Let's go put that spoiler on. So I'm just using Scotch, or you could use 3M. It's also like, it comes from 3M themselves, but this is double-sided tape, something you want to use. Now, if I put it on, I was kind of debating on putting it on, because if I do install it, it's just going to mess my wrap up if I try to take it off. It's just probably going to peel it off. Maybe it won't, but don't want to know and find out. So I'm just going to install it for now. If I get the trunk, the carbon trunk, then I'll just switch it out. I'll have that as like two different options, or I'll just sell it. I don't know, but for now, I think it looks really good, and I wanted it. It was dirt cheap, so let's just install it. So I'm just going to go exactly like this. Then I'm gonna install it right on it. So right now I'm just heating this up. All right, now it's time to put the wing on. Okay, cool. After pressing it down a little, new carbon wing is on. I'm just gonna go wipe it. I think that thing looks sick. That definitely looks so good. Damn, that thing looks so good. There's no cracks, no nothing on it. Nice and even on both sides. Yeah. That don't look bad at all. See that? I think it looks really good. Oh man, I need more carbon parts now. I need more car parts.